Hope. Hope. Focus yet, please. You can go back on the boss as soon as this ends. To your positions. Keep your side here. And you are getting ready. Use the personal if you are very low. Move away with that beam, Aki. Don't stay on the chains with the beam. Okay. Careful.
Careful with that.
What?
Yeah, my grip, yeah.
Let's focus. Okay, yeah, he's dead. Just go back on the boss.
What percentage is the next?
33. 33. You will get one more ad. The chains are incoming in 4 seconds.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Stack on Wus. Stack on Wus. Cleave on the ad. Okay, now you can focus the ad. Since it's there.
Can we still DPS again?
Okay, when you come out, you just focus the boss. You have 15 seconds for 3%. Good. And now you just repeat what you... Okay, that will be just in time. You'll just
Why am I
repeat
using
what
my
you just did.
coins?
You can use it whenever you want them. Or if you don't need them, you can keep them for the last phase. But if you feel like you need them, just keep them.
Will you say anything, guys, here? Oh, okay.
No, it's fine. It's back.
Okay, you are getting ready to go. Go. Aki, you should have done your tide. Don't die, Aki.
Be careful with the stack.
You can cry rally here if you have it. Good, thank you. Do you still have your EMC?
No, we will split both together.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Aki, if you have your link at any point here, like in 4 seconds, you can use it.
Battle rest me, please.
And you can rest linguistics.
We need more DPS on the blue one. Come on.
Slow down here, please slow down here, don't kill it yet. Okay, you cannot
Fine,
kill
we're
it.
even.
Yeah, it's fine.
You have a dead case in 6 seconds. Said, use rally.
Wait for the stacks,
no,
wait for the stacks.
Wait for the stacks,
Wait for
wait.
stacks.
Okay, now if you get
Now.
the soak mechanic, you will just die. You can soak the first one, but then you can just die to it. Soak this one, soak. Move away, who has that stacking thing. You can cry, move away from the group. On the side.
Don't
Okay.
take the ad, please, if you can.
You just focus the boss, ignore the ad. Move away with those.
Ah, that's me to suicide.
Are you saying
Good, you're good at this.
Go in the cooldowns, guys, use the cooldowns. Mira, you should just die.
Chain die.
There we go.
Nice.
Hey!
Good job, guys.
Get in.
You know.
That was easy.